Okay, so I have my paper on the mat, and as you can see, it is aligned. It's a regular 8.5 by 11. I imported my design, which is a wolf design. So here you're going to select if you want it to emboss, draw, cut, foil, or pierce. I'm going to be cutting, so that's what I would select. I'm going to insert my cutting mat. It's going to self-align. It tells you it's going to take about 2 minutes. It's on auto pressure. Speed is 5 and half cut is off. So you are just going to hit start. It's going to take your paper in. It's going to test, and then it's going to start cutting. So as you can see, about 2 minutes. If you listen, it's not very loud. It's pretty quiet. The software is very easy to do. I scanned this image in from something that we found online to do a mask, and I would prefer it to cut it since there's a lot of cutting. And then as you can see, the design is being cut out. The mat is sticky, but it's not overly sticky. This is a standard tack adhesive mat that's included. And you want to make sure that in the back that there is enough clearance for your mat to go all the way through. It does have a piece back here for you to pull out to help you ensure that that is going to happen. And as you can see, just about 1 minute left. The auto detect on this cutting knife is really a nice touch because you don't have to select or decide within the program what you're going to be doing and hope that it's thick enough, and then doing a test, and then doing a test, and then doing it and finding out that one little section just happened to not work. So here you can see my mask. This is for the face, and it's done. And up here it will say finished cutting. You're going to hit OK, and then it stays on this. So if you want to do the exact design again, that's what you would do. Otherwise, you're going to hit this so that it releases your mat. And then that's it. You could go back, and then we could go back home. So do I want to delete all patterns? I'm going to go ahead and say OK because I have the pattern saved on my computer. And then this is the main page. So it has pattern, scan, roll feeder, to emboss, and then my collection. From here you could do a test, and if you're doing something on your computer and you save your design, so first you're going to save it, and then you're going to go under file and then go ahead and send it. And then here is where you would hit receive, and then where you're going to be receiving it. This is what I chose because that's where I wanted to retrieve my pattern from, and here it is because my computer is already set to that.